जा चुके हैं बॉम्बे के ईरानी कैफेज में, कितने सारे?
मेरे ख्याल से मैं काफ़ी अभी तो सिर्फ 25 कैफे और आई थिंक मैं 15 के आसपास कैफे में जब हम लोग आए थे तब ईरानी कैफे काफ़ी यूज़ करते थे क्योंकि एक तो चीप होता था और दूसरा इंटरेस्टिंग फूड्स होते थे उसमें, मस्का बन और चाय और इस तरह की चीज़ें, जैसे महबूब स्टूडियो के पास में है वो भी, और यहाँ पे भी कई बार आ चुका हूँ।
आपका फेवरेट खाना क्या है यहाँ पे?
मेरा है कीमा पाव।
And what about you, Ritesh?
Bun maska. I'm simple, not fancy.
Farah,
Yes.
come in the picture. Tell
Yes.
us, what's your favorite food here?
I think this actually not many people know this belongs to my family. It's my grandfather and my mama still sits at the galla. So when Ritesh told me that he wants to do this in a Irani cafe, I think this was the best place to come. I love everything about the bun omelette, the brun pav with maska and the mawa cake, which मैंने 5 डज़न ऑर्डर किए हैं सबके लिए आज। अगर आप धक्का नहीं मारोगे आप सबको मावा केक मिलेगा।
I need more. Okay, so tell us, like he said about this campaign in Irani cafes, we have only 25 left.
Yes.
So,
I think this one is also sold. The building is gone. I hope they convert it still to a Irani cafe and keep it.
so how can we save Irani cafes? How?
Yeah, it is very difficult because the people who own it actually need the money. So it's very difficult for us to say that they should not sell it. It's the government should actually subsidize them or do something that they can still afford to run them.
So, you are here, like he said, he has invited both of you.
Yes.
So what are you guys actually talking about?
Actually, even I am very keen to know what Nawaz and we are going to talk. This may be the weirdest combination you see on Poetic License.
Absolutely.
You know, the
But
thing is that
I'm a huge fan of Nawaz. I was just telling him, I saw Badlapur only last night and I was completely blown. I called everybody from the movie in the morning. I called Varun, I called Sriram, but I said I'll meet him and tell him how fantastic he is.
एक्टिंग और फिल्म मेकिंग की बात हो रही है तो हाल ही में शशि कपूर साहब को भी दादा साहब फाल्के अवार्ड से नवाजा गया। कुछ कमेंट करना चाहेंगे आप और
आई
नवाज
थिंक
भाई?
उनको 10-15 साल पहले देना चाहिए था। हम हमारे अवार्ड्स और एक्कोलेट्स हमेशा 20 साल बाद में मैं तो बोल रही हूँ हम तीनों का अभी दे दो ये साल, मत वेट करो।
होम डिलीवरी कर दीजिए।
Okay, we are doing a campaign called Free Your Mind. So I want to read this, like, you know, what you want to tell people in Bombay and around the Irani cafes in a lot of places, but people don't know about it. So what do you have to say to them?
I think it's very easy to find now where the Irani cafes are. You just Google, you will find them. You have to be a connoisseur, but you have to have the love to go and eat at a place like this. I think most families won't frequent such places, but there's a lot of heritage and a lot of, for me, a lot of memories with Irani cafes. And the only time we go now is when we are shooting in Irani cafes.
Yeah,
That's the only time we end up going.
Farah, what's your favorite?
आपके शो में अलग अलग तरह के डिशेस खाने मिलेगा, इस तरह के डिश में कोई
अभी नेक्स्ट पार्ट सीजन 2 में इधर करने वाली हूँ, अलग अलग रेस्टोरेंट।
तीनों यहाँ पे है, कुछ फिल्म एक साथ करने का कुछ प्लान तो नहीं है इस तरह का?
आई टोल्ड रितेश
ये मुझे कास्ट कर रही है, ये मुझे लॉन्च करने वाले हैं।
हाँ, और ये मुझे कास्ट करने वाले हैं बिकॉज ही मेकिंग अ मूवी अबाउट द पारसी कम्युनिटी।
Farah, what's your favorite memory of a Irani cafe?
I think for me the whole family would come. That's why mamas, like I told you, my mother's brothers still run the counter every morning. And Sajid, we used to come to Minerva to see Sholay, and from Sholay we would come directly here to eat mawa cakes. And
It's free for you.
yeah, free for everyone.
Favorite memory?
Just Mehboob, near about Mehboob Studio, the cafe. We have lots of.
Thank you.
कैमरा
ये यहाँ का फेमस मावा केक है। थोड़ा रख, थोड़ा ये कितना है? ये लो 5 डॉलर है, हाँ, रख। ये लोग ला नहीं रहे हैं।
ये मेरे भाई
अरे कहाँ से लाएंगे, जगह तो रहना चाहिए। इधर से पता नहीं बैठे के बाहर देख जरा।
क्या बाइट बात
आमिर घूम जाएगा नीचे, बूम नीचे